The rich don't pay their fair share of the income tax. We all hear statements like this during political campaigns.
And now I have a special message for the special interests.
The Democratic presidential candidates keep saying that.
We want our country back for ordinary Americans.
The first one willing to say it to me was the Reverend Al Sharpton.
Well, the rich do not pay their share.
That's a widespread belief. But do the politicians even know how much of the income tax burden the rich pay now?
The top 1% in this country pays very much less than 10%, very much less than 5%.
So what's fair? The top 1% should pay 10% of America's income taxes? 20%?
No, they should pay somewhere around 15%. They don't pay 5%. Anybody could see that as unequal and unfair.
So they should pay 15%, he says. And the richest 1% now pay less than 10%. Then he said less than 5%. But that's so silly because, and I bet most of you don't know this, the IRS says the richest 1% of taxpayers already pay 34%, twice what Sharpton wanted them to pay. The Reverend barely reacted when I told him. They're already paying 34%.
No, I think that if you deal with the quality of their lives.
He quickly changed the subject. He never would admit how far off he was. Now, you may still feel the rich should pay more. After all, they have so much. But let's remember the facts. The top 1% of Americans, that's those who earn about $300,000 a year, pay 34%, more than a third of all income taxes. And the top 5%, those making over $125,000, pay more than half.